love cooking for my children. Perfect place to start, of course, is naturally with baby food. Now, what do you need to make your own baby food? Not much at all. You can turn all of these beautiful fruit and veg into your baby's first food. And for storing it, these Kilner kids jars are perfect. The jars themselves are made from glass, and they're Kilner brand, a tried, tested, trusted brand. The lids are silicone, beautifully soft. You can bend them easily like that. They pop on and they pop off, and they're leak proof. No leak, absolutely none. Amazing. When your baby starts solids around 6 months, but not before 4 months, they're going to be needing purees. The fanciest equipment you need is probably a stick blender or a blender or a Thermomix, anything like that. And that's being fancy. You can just cook and push it through a sieve. Instant puree, no machines. Absolute kids' favourite. My kids always loved berries, even from the get-go. I have 4 tablespoons of water in the bottom of this pot. So I'm going to add 1 chopped up banana. I've got about a dozen berries in here. I've got raspberries and blueberries, which were frozen, and a fresh strawberry cut up. Baby rice cereal is wonderful for thickening up purees. If you've gone too far in adding liquid, you can always add a bit of rice cereal to thicken back up. Let it simmer on the stove for about 5 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then so it doesn't catch. And then we're going to puree it afterwards. About 200 grams of carrot and 40 grams of peas that I've just boiled till soft. I'm going to pop them in here and we're going to blitz it up. Keep the cooking liquid in there. Don't tip that out because we can use that to loosen up the puree. And I'm just going to tip a little bit in there. Beautiful. And now I'm going to pour that into some of these littler jars. You have it. Batch cooking, home cooking, homemade baby food at home. So easy and so much better on your budget. You can buy all of this at the fruit shop for next to nix. You can cook it all yourself at home. You know exactly what goes in it. There is no hidden nasties, no additives, no preservatives, nothing like that. Just fresh, wholesome food. Colour-coded lids make it easy for other people that want to feed the baby, and they come with adhesive labels. From cooktop to benchtop to fridge to freezer to microwave, it does it all. And don't forget, into the dishwasher. They come in a set of 6 for $29.95. Larger jars, perfect for larger appetites, bigger desserts too. Come in a set of 6 also for $39.95. They are brand new at Howard Storage, available in store now. Why don't you grab a set or 2? We'll see you then.